Your high beams. What else is this car?
Not much. That's the most impressive part.
Hello everyone, it's JD here. I'm filming on the GoPro today, but it's the next day and we are doing a bit more maintenance stuff on the Soarer. I almost said Skyline. I tried to stop myself before I made a mistake. So I'd say while we have time, we'll just check the radiator cap.
A good question. What
What
the
is
fuck
this?
that is?
Is this the radiator? What the
I don't think that
Normally you're supposed to have a cap, not like a little thing, but that's
it might be a release.
That's weird. That's power steering. That's the I don't even know what that's probably brake fluid.
That's brake fluid. You can tell because that's the ABS module right there.
That's your air suspension right there.
Oh, it's just on top of my caps.
That's kind of cool.
This is wiper fluid, and so is this.
So if that's wiper fluid, and that's engine fan. What's engine fan fluid?
I'm assuming it's cool.
Maybe that is coolant. We're gonna have a look because if that's correct, I don't know how the hell this works, but
Spin it.
yeah. Looks like water, kinda.
It looks like it's not coolant. I'll do some research.
Use Dextron 2. So
What
then,
the fuck?
where the hell is the coolant?
You know what? Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drop the suspension. I do not want to drop the suspension. I'm going to drop the muffler. You take a look in there.
Yeah, we'll probably figure out what the hell we're supposed to do for the coolant in a bit. But for now, we've got a more important thing to do, which is making the car quieter. So we got 2 stock mufflers that are going to go on to replace these massive straight pipes, which go straight back to the actual exhaust. So my boy's just going to hit himself some more. Is the car fighting back, or are you just like...
No, I'm fighting the floor.
Oh, okay. That is fair. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go and put my hoodie on and get ready so we can do this. And yeah, let's go. Okay. Oh, we need to get mats in here, I swear.
Oh, you're joking.
What, is it not?
It's a different size. Ooh.
Yeah, that looks like a 15. I'm gonna give you 15 first and we'll see if we're right. 15 ring? Use the ring end instead of the other end.
This is easier. Slippy.
Oh, is it actually?
Yeah.
So yeah, let me see. Maybe it was 14.
Although it feels a bit smaller. It might be a 10.
10. 14. There's the 10 and the 14 this side.
Give me the 12.
I guess we're trying to... Are you okay?
I hit myself on the wire.
Oh, yeah.
It shouldn't be here.
There you go.
Oh, you're joking me.
Is it not? What could it be? It's definitely not Imperial.
13.
What the hell? We're just trying to feel the sizes of all these nuts. Bolts, I mean.
13.
Is it a 13? It feels like it's tight.
I can't be stopped dropping this.
Yeah, it's probably gonna fall on your arms too.
No, it's not. It's on bolts.
Okay. What is it even being held on by? Some sort of metal?
This thing?
Yeah, the thing, it's being held on by some sort of metal or elastic band or something.
Where?
The actual cat.
You mean the end?
The ends, they're held on by like
With wire?
yeah, like yeah, rusted wire and all that. Yuck.
That's gonna be least of my problems.
Yeah. Do you think you'll need the same screws to get it back in? Because I could take the other one out.
I need the same nuts.
Okay.
It's on the hanger.
Yeah. Okay. That's fair.
I need to.
I'm just moving them next to the other exhaust. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Okay, let's see. There we go. It's getting there. So what we found out is that these aftermarket exhausts need screws, but the stock exhausts have the screws already on there, and the nuts that came with it are the wrong size for the stock. So
I found another fun thing that
what's so fun?
You need to order that in.
What?
Ask someone.
Gaskets?
The exhaust should not be bent like that.
What the? What? Oh wait, what? Oh, it's crinkled. This is a complication.
Guess I'm getting new exhaust bits.
Are you gonna?
Costs like $20.
Are you gonna actually get new exhaust bits though?
Costs like $20.
Yeah. You just gotta get it welded. What good timing. Hello.
Hello.
We're taking apart the exhaust and we found out that there's a screwy thing that we gotta replace now.
Oof.
Yeah, apparently one of the bolts is too small and also the exhaust is crinkled, so...
The exhaust is bent, you can't put the stuff back on.
Yeah, they bent the exhaust.
Nice number plate as well.
Yes, I know. It is very good. We just need to like strip the screw out and take that little bit off.
I'm assuming you're not keeping that number plate.
No, keep it. Keep the 3. Have that as like a...
Yeah, you can keep it with your seatbelt.
So after all that meddling, I guess we're skipping the exhaust at this point, but now we don't have an exhaust on there, so...
Time to scare the neighbours.
Time to scare the neighbours.
Yeah.
What the hell is that noise? Is that your accessory belt? That doesn't sound healthy.
I know what it is.
What is it? Timing?
I opened door forward. Can you move your car forward?
Mine. I have to get my key. Still, not bad, good size.
I can smell the petrol.
Yeah.
Yes.
Also, when you first...
Give me a sec.
Yeah. Yeah. When you first turned the car on, there was a lot of smoke that came out of the back, so I don't know if that would be head gasket or something.
That is because the cats are not involved.
Oh, okay, cool. So the mission now is we're going to take apart the door handle and we're going to put a new lock on there because we got the original lock from the old door and that will make it work with the original key. So let's take apart this door and do this, which is the first time that I've done this in general, so this is going to be cool.
Yeah, I see the problem.
There we go.
The thing is, I'm holding this door as if I'm worried, but that thing
Yeah.
is never gonna break.
This is
I think
supposed
this
to be
thing will
like
break
this.
vault. This lock will break vault doors. Like
Yes.
a vault door is like half of this size.
Is there any on the bottom?
No, it's all clips.
Oh yeah,
Should
true.
be.
So you have to unclip it then.
This entire thing feels like it's gonna fall apart in the meantime. I'm not putting this entire panel on. Watch the speaker not even be there, Jacob. That's why we didn't hear
Yeah,
it.
that's probably why. Or they didn't plug it in. Okay, kind of switched to my phone here for this. How do you take the modules off? Is it just screws?
These?
Oh, okay, it's just that. So, pretty close to getting this thing off. Oh, I'd hope we're
I
close.
found out why there was no sound. There
Why?
was actually no speaker. It looks like there's a bit of a speaker condom though.
What? Did they put a
Yep.
condom in there?
No, it's like a speaker condom, you idiot.
Oh, yeah, true. It's just a protection for where the speaker's supposed to go then.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna close my door. I'm gonna try opening it with this thing.
What?
Fair enough.
Let's try, boys.
This is remote door opening, guys.
Wait,
Did you do it?
Slam it shut.
Okay.
It worked?
It worked!
Hey.
Wait, was it...
Handle, I don't need to put. I can chuck that now.
Was
Put
it
in
not-
my back seat.
Was it not working? Was it not working before?
What?
Was your door handle not working before?
No, I just removed that entire thing, so I was wondering whether it would work or not.
Now you got a wireless door handle. So
That's fine.
It's just brown.
the
That's
coolant is pretty brown. I don't think you can see it. Let's open it.
It's a bit yuck, but never mind.
Yeah, someone shine a torch. So
Dinosaur.
as you see, it's like a reddish brown. On the camera it looks red, but that I don't know what color it's supposed to be. If it's meant to be red or if it is meant to be like green.
I don't think it's meant to be brown. I'll put it like that.
Definitely not meant to
Yeah.
be brown, but it doesn't look sludgy. So I think it could be fine. So today, as a bit of a recap, we took the door card off. We replaced the barrel for the handle, so now that door handle can be locked with the main key. We also fixed up this little mechanism, so now the boot and the fuel tank can now be accessed, which is mint.
I want to take it off.
And we also replaced the electronics and the actual side
I
mirror.
already got a compilation of this thing opening.
Yeah, we've already got footage of that anyway. Stop. Jesus Christ. So yeah, it just...
Make a move.
I'm gonna roll it forward.
Ah! Good. So So fuel filter, air filter. We may do a coolant flush at some point. Hopefully next week or sometime around there. Yeah. We need to get the exhaust fabbed.
Next week we're doing a coolant and an oil flush.
You need to get the exhaust done, and you can probably just take the catalytic converter off and put it on a new exhaust. And then the car will be ready for roadworthy, and we can take it in and they can tell us what else needs to be done. So that is practically all we're doing today, and that means that now we can just relax because we've managed to get a majority of the stuff we want to do done. And what's your thoughts on the productivity of today?
I don't have thoughts.
I mean, we got a lot done.
We got done exactly what I wanted to get done, except the exhaust. Rip that.
This will be all for today. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So guys, I think I'm going to continue the video just a little bit longer because we're at Daniel's Donuts at the moment, and I just thought I'd show you guys a few cars. Looks like Highway's on. Look, there's the GTR and there's a Supra, so it looks like Josh and Shay are out, and I think Highway's on. So there are a lot of police around as well because there are a lot of highway events popping back up. So I'm not going to any of the big spots because I don't want to get in trouble or anything or any sort of fine. So we're sticking around where we know it's safe. I see a 180SX. He's got real Ganna doors too.
Yeah.
That is actually clean. Look at that. That is actually nice. That's actually a clean build. He's probably like painted himself too. I have a feeling because they have lifted the restrictions more, so you can have about 20 people or so. I have a feeling that things are going to start ramping up again, because if you look here, like, there are a lot of cars around, which is mint. But I'll put my batteries away. Oh damn! Not the bed. Oh, that exhaust. That is really mint. Oh, that's an FTO. A Mitsubishi FTO. Check that out. That is gold right there. Forester gang boy. And now we gotta get going. So now guys, we gotta head back home because it is getting late, and of course the police are here too. We gotta head back. It looks like this is where we're ending it off. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.